If you were to travel to the second floor of the Trojan Center, this might be a noise that you will hear, along with seeing these signs everywhere you turn. This is due to the new construction that is happening above the Trojan Center food court. We spoke with the Director of Student Involvement and Leadership, Barbara Patterson, to see what changes are coming soon.
Well, there's quite a bit of construction going on, TC. I think it's a little confusing for the students what entrance you can enter. But there's several things happening. First, the Trojan Center ballrooms are being renovated, and then the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership, that has been completely torn down and is being reconstructed. And then the new health center is being built in where the old fitness center was. And then we are also having two new meeting rooms, a meeting room for the SGA Senate and a meeting room for just for students in general.
Due to the age of the building, many systems and maintenance was over 40 years old, according to Patterson. That is why the university decided to update and remodel the upstairs of the Trojan Center.
It's just the age of the building. There are just many things that were out of date, were not working well, and of course with the addition of the new fitness center on campus, that space needed to be used, and it was just a great opportunity for a new health center to be built.
There is no set date on when the remodeling will be done, but Patterson says that a lot of people are hoping to have all the construction done by the beginning of the spring semester. Allison Polk, Troy, TrojanVision News.